Hey, what's up everyone? This is rksvlogs10 and we're back with this another vlog. Today it's been morning and I'm on my way to some work that I've been supposed to do. So I was about to go and let's see what's gonna happen on my way. So guys, if you're new to this channel is all about motovlogs, the DIYs, the motorcycle purists, the person who likes motorcycles and loves and cares about the motorcycle. So if you're one of them, just hit the subscribe button and like the video and watch the video till the end. You ain't gonna find it bad and you are going to love this channel. Keep watching, keep liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel.
Let me stay with you. And asking you just one night. I don't know about you, your life. But tell me 'cause we still have time. I can't
Oh my gosh, man, where did it come from?
think of you every moment. Think of you every moment. It's like I can't let you.
I should have let him go.
Think of you every moment. There's nobody else.
No man, my mood's been changed. I'm gonna come for you. Just keep waiting, keep watching.
There's nobody else. There's nobody else.
See, we're head to head. Man, he's going so fast. Man, he's pulling like anything. You're having R3, so do I have my R15, man. Oh my gosh, this guy's sick, man. I'm coming, man, I'm coming. Go fast, go fast, go fast. I just hate this car, guys. They just ruin my speed. This is so amazing, man. I'm just loving it. Are you also one who does this, man? Comment in this comment section below.
Baby, this is do or die. Feel it in my veins tonight. Emotional suicide. You know it's an eye for eye. I didn't wanna walk the plank. No, but the Mariona, it came like the thunder. I was on my way to going under. Swimming in the pain, yeah, I was covered in a tidal wave, But I'm a fighter. Try to take me down, I'm going higher. Baby, you've been playing with some fire. You've been playing with fire. One day you will see what you made of me. Found my inner peace. You are today's in the dead of night. Maybe when it's do or die. You know it's an eye for eye. Every energy around. In the dead of night.
Speed. बेटा V3 में भी पावर है बेटा.
You can save your alibi. I already know you lied. Oh no, no, don't even try. Watch the flame in me ignite. You didn't wanna walk the plank. But the Mariona, it came. Baby, you were stuck, it was hard to see. And that's when the spark lit inside of me. Oh, I was lost from reverie. One day you will see what you made of me. What's inside of me. One day you will see I found my inner peace. You are release in the dead of night. In the dead of night. Everyone is still a die. You know it's an eye for eye. Feel the energy align. In the dead of night. In the dead of night. In the dead of
Just full on throttle, full on throttle. So guys, how's the video? If you guys like the video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, man. You're going to get these videos each and every time you just get on my page. So do not forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications on so you can get regular updates about my channel's video that I'm uploading. So keep liking, keep watching, keep sharing and subscribing. RK's Vlogs signing off.